Hi, Marhaba. Pen is going to teach something to us today. So I'll write pen. We used to write pen to write positive about others. When you write positive about others, in science it is called proton. Proton. Positive about others means proton. See the first letter P. So write small p. Okay? Positive about others. So write positive. So pen is going to write positive about others means proton, positive charge. Next, sometimes pen used to write negative about others. When it writes negative about others, we call that as electron. So see the first letter E. So write small e. Negative about others. During examination time, we have time to think about who is positive and who is negative? No. So at the time, we never think about others, isn't it? So our brain is, we never think about others. We do only exam. So at the time, the pen is doing the work of neutron. Neutron, neutral. Neutral means zero. Okay? See the first letter again, small n. So see that pen, P-E-N. So whenever you take pen, please think the three words. P for proton, E for electron, N for neutron. Okay? Now you are going to take the pen and you are going to cut. At one point we can't cut. So science will tell, use my microscope. So there are different types of microscope. So we are going to use electron microscope or scanning tunneling microscope, and we will see how we can see that which we can't with our eyes, how we can see using microscope. So when you see using microscope, that is called atom. That is called what? Atom. So inside atom, these three things are present. I will say it once again. Atom we can't see with our eye. We can see only with electron microscope or scanning tunneling microscope. Inside this atom, this proton, electrons and neutrons are there. So there are three children for atom. Now, how they will join? Now the proton and neutron will tell, proton will tell I am good when. This neutron will tell I am neutral. Protons and neutrons, they will be in one group. We call that group name as nucleus. I repeat, this proton and neutron inside a room, we call that as nucleus, and they leave this electron. The electron will tell, no matter, I will safeguard you like that. Now the electron will revolve around this nucleus, and the electron revolve around this nucleus. So this is the structure of atom. You lament to your mother or to the elder one in the family, I am doing good to my friend, but my friend is doing bad to me. But immediately the elders in the family used to tell, the universe is like this. How many good people, same number of bad people are there. So the same thing will be in atom also. The number of proton is equal to number of electron. So the atom is neutral. The number of proton is equal to number of electron, and the atom is neutral. And we call this number as atomic number. And we call this number as atomic number. Okay? Now, they are not considering as electron because they throw out of this room. So, who is inside this one? The nucleus, proton and neutron. They will join together. They will add. So, this proton and neutron, they join, and we call this as mass number. And the mass of electron is negligible. And the mass of electron is negligible. Actually, it is 1000 800 times smaller than proton. The mass of electron is 1800 times smaller than proton. So it is negligible. So they will consider only this proton and neutron, and we call this as mass number. See, we started with a pen. So pen is teaching this much to us. What are the things pen teach to us today? Proton, electron, neutron. Where these three things are present? In an atom. How they are arranged in an atom? This proton and neutrons together inside. We call that as nucleus. And one point regarding nucleus. The nucleus is smallest one. We will compare with the worldly thing. It is similar to a ball in the cricket ground. See the size of ball in the cricket ground. Same thing, nucleus is very small, but inside that one proton and neutrons are there, and we concentrate only in the ball. So what is there in the ball? Proton or neutron, we call that as mass number. And whenever you lament, why I'm doing good, why others are doing bad, that means atom is neutral. So how many number of good people are there? Same number of bad people are there in the universe. We call that as atomic number. So proton, the words we studied today are proton, electron, neutron, atom, atomic number, mass number. Thank you for watching this video.